Liberty Walk, the renowned Japanese tuner, has dared to modify the iconic Lamborghini Miura, widely regarded as one of the most beautiful supercars of all time. The revamped version, named LB Silhouette Works GT Lamborghini Miura, will debut at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2025, taking place from January 10 to 12. This bold creation features a striking white and black livery adorned with the tuner's logos. It boasts an aggressive widebody kit, prominent fenders, a massive rear wing, and an ultra-lowered stance, with the body nearly touching the ground. While visually radical, no technical details have been revealed, and it's unclear if the original 4.0-liter V12 engine has been upgraded. However, Liberty Walk typically focuses on exterior modifications rather than performance enhancements. The project, commemorating the 60th anniversary of the Miura's debut, has sparked debate among enthusiasts. Is it a daring tribute to Marcello Gandini's masterpiece, or an overly extreme take on a legendary car? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.